Hey guys, it's Madness Nail Art. Today I'm going to be doing a natural-ish look. Well, yeah, because I have to go to work later this afternoon. So we're going to do a natural look with the Mini Controversy palette. This is what it looks like. Oops. There we go. It's beautiful. It's making those shades look pinker than they are, so, looks like I had a little eyeshadow on there, but that's okay. So I'm probably going to use, like, Cry on My Couch, Diet Root Beer, and then my boyfriend's purse. And then I could go in to deepen it with Controversy or My Apology to add a little pop of color. Or I'll just take another palette and we'll use like a dark brown. So yeah. Alright, so I'm going to do my base and everything, so I will be right back. Alright guys, sorry, I have to touch my camera over there, so my finger's over in the way, that's why. So I actually did a little something different with my base today. So I used the Professional primer from Benefit. I think I have to use this up. I'm not sure how much I have. I have quite a bit, I think. So that's going to be in my project pan that I'm going to probably film after this video. And so I also use the Incredible Jelly Shot Lip Quencher on my lips. And then I use my NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat Powder Foundation as my foundation today. And I use the brushes my friend got me. I think this works better for like setting your face, but I was able to get some product on my face with this. It's just that with my cheeks I brought in this denser brush from EcoTools just because I like to put more full coverage on my cheeks. And then I blended out my concealer with this brush. It works great. So I use my CoverGirl Clean Invisible Concealer. And then I use my Makeup Revolution baking powder to set my concealer. Alright. So I set my face with setting powder today. So let's go in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and just going to put that on my chin, and then put this on my forehead, alright, and then let me put that on my cheeks. I guess I'm not contouring today because I totally forgot about that. Alright. So I'm just gonna blend away little harsh lines that I see. If I can find the right brush, there we go. It's okay, we're kind of doing a soft glam look today, so I don't really need all the contouring and stuff. I don't know why I put this brush in here. Okay, so next I'm going to take this blush from Space Case Cosmetics. It's the It's Not Me, It's My Sign blush. I love that name. So I'm going to take my big blush brush today, actually. It's the BH Cosmetics number 2 brush. And I'm just going to put that on my cheeks. Alright. I think that looks good, so and then I'm just going to blend that out a little with the BH Cosmetics number 4 brush. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with the Space Case Cosmetics highlighter. It's 1E Seen from Space. So, I'm going to take my highlighter brush and I'm going to put that on my cheeks. Sorry, I'm still a little sick, but I don't think I'm as bad. So actually, I found the perfect dark brown to use. I totally forgot. I have like a plumish brown. Well, it's not very plum, but yeah. Hold on. Alright guys, so I set both of my eyes and did my brows with the, did I put it back here? Yes, I did. Alright, the Benefit Gimme Brows Plus. I just do those and they fill them in okay. So I think it all looks good. And today I'm going to try to use some of the eyeshadow brushes. Like this one is a blending brush. This one is a point brush. Okay. This one is a shadow brush. It looks like a packing brush. And I'm going to use some of my other ones too. So I'm probably just going to take this eyeshadow brush just to, I'm going to see, Flat Earth might be too blue. Well, yeah, so we're going to set our eyes just so they don't crease. So I'm going to take this brush. It seems like it's picking up. I'm using the Morphe palette. It looks like this. It's their artistry palette in About Last Night, which is 9N. And so I'm going to just do this. My contacts don't like that. Okay. This is just so my eyeshadow doesn't crease. So, then what I'm going to do, they're kind of the same shade. Well, actually, no. So, I'm gonna, take my round crease brush. It's currently stained orange right now. And take Diet Root Beer, which is this one in the middle. So, we're gonna put this in our crease. This is gonna be our only crease shade. Oh, whoa. Very pigmented. Okay. So, then what I'm going to do is Cry on My Couch, and I'm going to use this shadow brush here. And put that over. Then I'm just going to take my Betty Boop brush and blend that out some more. That blended pretty nicely, and then I'm just going to pack some more Cry on My Couch on a little bit. Just so we're not getting any weird crease lines like up here in my crease. Oops. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm gonna wet this brush with setting spray, so grab that really quick. And then we're gonna see how it packs on glitter. May have used a little too much. Okay, yeah. It's pretty good looking. Oh yeah, this is the shade My Boyfriend's Purse, and then the shade I used on my lids was Cry on My Couch, if I did not say that. I think that looks pretty good. So then I'm gonna be lazy and use this for my inner corner highlight. Alright, I'm going to do my other, oh wait. Right, so what I'm going to do now with this brush is see if it works to do like the outer V. I would say so. Alright, and then I'm going to blend that out with our blending brush. These brushes are not actually that bad. Alright, I think that looks good. So now I'm going to do my other eye off camera. And I'm actually testing out a new mascara too, so I'll tell you my thoughts about that, and I will be right back. Alright, so here's my thoughts on the Shane, Dawson, and Jeffree Star Mini Controversy, as well as the Almay Multi-Benefit Mascara. I got this post-Christmas for myself. And then I actually bought the Sephora Black Ink Fine Line Felt liner because my Stila one dried out. So I really like this one. It is $14 and it's very good. It's good for something quick in a pinch, and I think it's pretty good quality. It doesn't skip or anything. And then love this. I was a fan of Shane Dawson for a while now. So I think it's a really pretty palette. I believe I want to do some more looks with this on my channel. So I'm definitely thinking about using Flat Earth, Cancelled, and then The Simulation, as well as Controversy and My Apology. And then, well, maybe Exposed with those ones, because they're more like purple tones and one's a burgundy. And I think these colors can go together. Like, you can do a cranberry look with My Boyfriend's Purse, Cry on My Couch, like, just for a transition color, Diet Beer for a transition color, and then My Apology, or like Controversy. You can create looks with these, I believe. And then I do like this Almay. It is safe for contacts, but I didn't put any on my bottom lashes today because I'm not sure if I should do that with this mascara. But I like it. It's multi-benefit, so it's like volumizing and stuff like that. I threw out the packaging. So I think, oh, I totally forgot. I'll grab a lipstick. So let's see. Today we're going for a natural look, so I'm not going to do anything bold. So I'm going to take the ColourPop Velvet Blur and Mesmerize. Oh my god, Mesmerize. Voice crack. Okay. So, let's put that on. It's a nice rose color.
So it's got a little pink, but it's not like too bright.
Alright, I think that is it. So, this is the final look for today. I'm aware that my eyes are two different shapes. This one is a lot wider than this one, I think. So, yeah. So this is the final look for the day. Like I said, pretty soft glam and low-key and stuff. Alright. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys for the next video. Alright, bye.